Identifying Subjects and Predicates at GrammarSongs by Melissa. We use complete sentences every day when we read, speak, and write. Complete sentences help us communicate in a way that enables us to understand each other's thoughts and ideas. Complete sentences are made up of two parts called the subject and the predicate. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells what the subject does or is. In the sentence, Mary went to the store, the subject, Mary, is who the sentence is about. Went to the store is the predicate because it tells what Mary, the subject, did. It's important to note that the predicate usually begins with the verb and includes the rest of the sentence. Remember, the subject tells who or what the sentence is about. The subject can be a noun, proper noun, or pronoun. The predicate tells what the subject does or is. The predicate usually begins with a verb. Let's practice identifying the subject and predicate in some complete sentences. The little gray bunny ate the orange carrot. First, let's find our subject. Who or what is this sentence about? Well, when I read this sentence, I get a picture in my head of a little gray bunny. The little gray bunny is my subject. A bunny is a noun. Now I need to find my predicate. What did the little gray bunny do? He ate the orange carrot. Ate the orange carrot is my predicate. Ate is a verb, so my predicate, ate the orange carrot, begins with a verb. Hey, come back here. Let's practice identifying the subject and predicate again. Superman flew over the building. First, let's find our subject. Who or what is this sentence about? Well, when I read this sentence, I get a picture in my head of Superman. Superman is my subject. Superman is a proper noun. Now I need to find my predicate. What did Superman do? He flew over the building. Flew over the building is my predicate. Flew is a verb, so my predicate, flew over the building, begins with a verb. Up, up, and away! Let's practice identifying the subject and predicate one more time. The greasy burger and salty fries are delicious. First, let's find our subject. Who or what is this sentence about? Well, when I read this sentence, I get a picture in my head of a burger and fries. The greasy burger and salty fries are my subject. They are what this sentence is about. They are nouns, and they come before the verb. Now I need to find my predicate. What did the greasy burger and salty fries do? Well, they didn't do anything. They just are delicious. Are delicious is my predicate. Are is a linking verb that connects information. So my predicate, are delicious, begins with a verb. Wait, they're delicious. Yum. So now you know a complete sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. You, subject, did a great job, predicate. Thank you for joining me at GrammarSongs by Melissa.